Today we're going to seafoam this 2.0 inline Ford in the Focus engine. What we're going to do basically is, this is your air cleaner. This is going to be your mass airflow sensor, and this is going to be your throttle body. We're going to take that screw loose and slip the tube of the spray in Seafoam under this and then reconnect this. Now I've already put the a can in the tank, so you would do that as well. Typically they will sell, I know Walmart will anyway, they will sell you both cans. If I can get the tripod set up here so you can see what we're doing. Typically they will sell you both cans in a package at Walmart. I think it's around 16 bucks. This is the can we're going to use to spray the cleaner into the intake system. And now I see people pull off vacuum lines and all that other stuff. I've always just put it right there in front of the throttle body, just like the instructions say, and it's always worked. Amazing, isn't it? When you follow instructions. Okay, here's our tube. First we're going to take this off. It's just a little clip there. You just push it. It's a little safety. Okay, then we're going to take our screwdriver and loosen the clamp, holding the boot onto the throttle body. We might have to take the air filter. Nope, there it is. Wouldn't hurt. Ow, wouldn't hurt. And wow, is that dirty? Wow, I need to. Okay, later on I'm going to be taking the later on I'll be taking that throttle body off after I do all this and clean it. Right now, this goes just in front. That's a little too long. About a 1/4 inch or so. You don't want it hitting the plate. There's a plate in there. Oop. Don't really want to drop it on the ground either, but hey, crap. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there's a plate in here. We don't want this up against that. And we're just going to put that boot over that, like so. And then we're going to tighten that down. Won't be the perfect fitting, but and we're going to reconnect this. There. And this is what we'll put on the can. Now, the engine's done warm. I done been to town this morning when I bought this, so the engine's warm. I'd never do this on a cold engine. So I'm going to go in, start it, and see what we got here. You almost need to do this with 2 people because the instructions say to rev the engine or keep the engine around 2,000 RPM. You gotta find something, stick with something to stick under the throttle and do that. Never underestimate the uses for a garden hose handle. Okay, now that we got that, we're going to put this whole can in there. And you hear the engine sometimes pull down. We're going to put the whole can in there. Might take a while. Now once we get this all in, I'll shut the engine off for 10-15 minutes and we'll start it back up and see what happens. It's going to smoke like crazy probably. Well, that can's almost all the way in there, so I'm going to go ahead and shut it off, and we're going to let it set for a while. Meanwhile, I'm going to take those back loose, pull out the stem. Oh, great. Drop everything down there. Retrieve all that. There we go. Tighten this back up. And then we're going to wait. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes. I kind of got busy doing something else. So let's see what it's going to do. Yeah, I got a couple of lights on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I got a bad tire pressure gauge someplace. Okay, let's go. Let's rev her up and see what she does. It says drive aggressively too, so maybe I need to go around, drive around, cut people off, flip them off, slam on my brakes in front of them, brake check them. I don't know how that helps, but that's what it says too. Okay, I'm not getting the smoke I thought I'd get. Huh. Okay, well, let me go around driving and see. Hold on, let me see. There's no smoke. Maybe if I start driving. So I'm gonna go drive. It says drive for like 10 minutes or longer, so I'm just gonna go on about a 20-minute drive. Okay, here we go. 4,000 RPM. Oh yeah, we're smoking now. We're really. But just that little bit, I wish I could show y'all. It just, you know, when I've used this on my V8, it has smoked like crazy. I got a good puff of smoke back there. I'm full to the floor now. This is a 5-speed manual, by the way. There's sometimes church that control this. I think it's 35 through here. 14 is going a lot faster. That doesn't matter. People like that don't get caught. I always get caught. Well, I have no caught. But because I don't drive like that. Huh. Well, it had that one big old puff. I mean, first floored it. So, of course, now I run cleaner in here. The tank before this one had a can of Berryman's in it, and I usually run marbles. Just a little bit of smoke there, not much. And that was almost 4,000 RPM. Maybe I should have let it sit longer. I put my V8, man, that thing smoked like crazy. This is the first time I've used it in a little 4-cylinder, so I'm guessing how much you can afford. There we go. Now we got more smoke. About 4,000 RPM right there. Now, still not a whole lot of smoke. Maybe it's already clean and I just, I can tell a little bit of difference in the acceleration. And that's why I used it in the first place, because this car was getting sluggish. I know it's 4-cylinder, it's already sluggish. But, probably 400 pounds worth of gear in the back, in the trunk, so it's all, I know it's sluggish anyway, but it was sluggish more than usual. I've had this car, it's got, I bought it when it had 145,000 on it. It's got 179 on it now. And this is the first time I put Seafoam in it. Okay, well, I guess, I don't know. No, that's kind of, I got it for now. It's still a little sluggish. And that 4 there, about 3,000 RPM. Maybe as clean as it's going to get. Sorry, I got the window down. I just realized I had the window down. You're probably going, hey, I can't hear you because of the wind noise. I'll put subtitles up. Not. Okay, well, let me try. I got a stop sign up here. I'm going to try it up here. See if we get any more smoke out of it. Got that one big puff right there after I just started. I mean, I've had these things V8 smoke for like a minute, man. Always change the oil after Seafoam. Got any carbon in it? Okay, here we go. Not a lick of smoke. Not a lick of smoke. Huh. Okay, I'm almost through the lake area where these little hills. I will say, going 30, 35 before with air conditioner on like I have now, not this hill I don't think, but these other ones I've had to get down to 3rd. And I will say I can already tell that there's a difference in taking off, you know, the acceleration. So I'm pretty happy. Not night and day like some people say they've experienced it. Maybe just due to how dirty your engine is. I don't know. I can't tell there was a difference in acceleration. But right up here will be the test when I go up this little hill here. Usually always had to go down into 3rd. I'd be going about 30 miles an hour. Wouldn't really, with the air conditioner on, it wouldn't pull it. Was it this one or the next one? I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Wow. See, I can tell the difference already. It's accelerating on this thing. Huge difference. I'm still in 4th, accelerating up this hill. So yeah. Now that tickles the crap out of me. The only reason it got down low right there is because I just let off the accelerator. See that hill? I'd have to pull that in 3rd with the air conditioner on. I just pulled it in 4th doing the same speeding and accelerated up it. So that, to me, is a win. Worth the 16 bucks. Both cans of Seafoam. See about this hill. I'm still in 4th. 30, between 30 and 35 miles an hour right now with their AC on.